The NEIU Biology Department can open doors to a deeper understanding, preparing you for a career that reflects and shapes the natural world and our experience as organisms living in it. Our department engages you directly with faculty in intimate classroom settings, where you get to know your classmates and your professors get to know you. You'll build skill sets in critical thinking, collaboration, community building, and hands-on laboratory techniques needed to take on a wide range of specializations. You can even customize your education to meet your career objectives through our flexible curriculum. At Northeastern Illinois University, you'll work in the lab and in the field, developing technical and theoretical problem-solving skills.
Hi, my name is Christina Rahatis. I'm currently an undergraduate student here at Northeastern Illinois University. I study biology, and right now I'm in one of the research labs where we study zebrafish. Something different here. Everyone's here to succeed, and the teachers are here for you to succeed, and so do students. So I did form some really strong bonds with the other students here. Not only do I get to interact with students that are in my class, but I also get that one-on-one interaction with the professor, where the professor actually knows my name. I can walk up to the professor and they know who I am. I started working in a research lab, and that's when I fell in love with research. So what my plan is to get my PhD in biomedical science, where I want to focus on cancer biology. It's something that's in my heart, where that's why I always call Northeastern a hidden gem, because the faculty here do see so much potential in their students. And I never thought that I would be working in a research lab. I never thought that I would be trying to pursue my PhD. I thought I was just gonna, I don't know, just have a bio degree like a bunch of other people that I know. But Northeastern has allowed me to break those barriers.